Hello everybody. So I just changed my ceiling fan. I updated the ceiling fan now because the update is that I just changed the ceiling fan blades. Take a look at the blades. They're now black. I changed them to black. Well, the rocket ship blades, I didn't really like the rocket ship blades. So I switched it to black instead. So yeah. Yeah. Yeah, take a look. Yeah. Yeah, now the blades are black now. Yeah, yeah. That's all I want to say, guys. Anyways, like and subscribe for more videos to come. Thanks thanks for watching and have a good summer day, guys.